If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Dodge Journey SE in pitch black. With halogen quad headlamps, sunscreen glass, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black side roof rails, incandescent tail lamps, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 7,000 miles on the odometer, 4.3-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 12-volt DC front and rear power outlets, second row in-floor storage bins, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 5299A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.